Chicken. My name is Kushi, and today I'm gonna be unboxing this keyboard for Apple Mac. This is the best keyboard for the Apple Mac, and it's also called the Slim 3X Bluetooth Backlit Keyboard, which is a fancy name and very long. So I'm gonna get started and do this unboxing, and I'm gonna show you how this looks like. It's very big, I can tell you this. We'll buy a box, but it is weird if you take a look at it, if you see how thin it is. And here I'm gonna go to all the features. Okay, I'm gonna go all the features, and I'm gonna show you what the good thing is and the bad thing is, and I'm gonna say what devices you can use. So first, let's start unboxing. This thing's pretty tightly packed, so look at that. And I'm gonna just open this here. This is pretty nicely packed. It's like a diamond or something inside, or gold bar. Well, it also says Slim 3X X3, which is a fancy name. That's the full name of him. Oh, this is how the keyboard looks like. And on the side of this, if you look at it like this, it's super thin. But don't get fooled by that. And inside the box, here's the inside of the box just in case. There's also a cable inside here. There's a box inside here. Cable inside here. Box. This box can be useful. I want to keep it there. You can recycle stuff. And yeah, this is pretty awesome. And it's just awesome, but the cable inside is long. Like, yeah, this cable is long. There's also a manual, like everything has. And there's two things I'm going to talk about later. I don't think it's important. Yeah. Okay. Now the unboxing part is here, and let's see how this works. Here, there's a small fancy thing here. I'm gonna open that. Okay, very cold, very cold, very cold. Very long, very long, very long. Okay, so let me just type again. Listen to the sound here. Pretty normal, like, you know, everything like my computer here. But a little sound. This is a softer one, and this is jam free. And let me just show you how to turn it on. Here, take a look at this switch here. Awesome, right? You turn it on, and you should see a light, apparently. Well, this light is pretty dim, I guess, and it is on. Now let's go test on this on a device. Before any ado, let's get started. I got this tablet here, which also has a USB cable Type C. And if you're wondering, this thing needs to charge, of course, and it's not down here. It does look like it, like over here. It looks like it, but it isn't. It's right over here. About somewhere here, I think. Ah, there it is. This is where it is, and it is pretty soft. I'm gonna test it on my tablet, Android tablet, and I'm gonna show you how it works. Apparently, to my knowledge, you turn on the switch, it's already turned on. I'm gonna open this, and it's double-sided. So Mac has a cable for that, so no worries. And this is also Bluetooth. Okay, this is also Bluetooth, but for me, I would just recommend using this. Plug it in here, and ta-da! And let me find the cable here. So here I connected this, and the light here, green, will turn on, and now it's flashing brightly. I want to turn on this light for extra dynamics, and I want to show you this thing. Hold on, don't see my password. Here it is, and I'm going to open OneNote because that's the most common for me to type. Here, see this, I typed this, so let's go and let's type here, and yeah, so here, let's just write, let me zoom in for you guys. E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm I found some chickens. So now this should be a little clear. If not, I can zoom in also. Give me 1 second. Okay, now I'm here and I want to type, and this is my keyboard, and just tell me what you see. See, it's typing. It's typing. I mean, it's typing. What if I just type something? Oh, well, that doesn't work. There's also a bunch of other things that you need to look after. And there's also something I want to show you. But now, since we tested it, and I'm going to pause this video, and I want to show you, and I'm going to come back to the normal place, because I clearly can't film here. You cannot see my face. And yeah. Now we're on to that. This thing has a lot of features, and I'll tell you really bad one feature, which I think. So number one, I'm going to just say, screw that. No, you don't need to see that. This keyboard right here, this keyboard has one feature. If you can look over here, it says 1, 2, 3, 4 with the Bluetooth sign here. Okay, that means this thing can pair up to 4 devices with Bluetooth. So imagine you have your tablet right next to you. You have a Mac Mini, and you use a Windows 10 laptop. I cannot talk to this. Sorry. I cannot talk today. I cannot talk today. I cannot. Back on topic. This thing can talk with 5. So if you're wondering, wait, I want to go on the tablet, figure out what number it is. And if you click on 1 and type something, it'll type on the tablet. And if you want to do something on the laptop, you can simply click on 4 and it'll do it, which is awesome. Right? And to conserve energy, please be sure to close this thing when you're not in use. Yeah. Oh my heavens, that was light. Okay, and yeah, that's one of the cool features. I think almost no thing has it. It also has LEDs lights, but they only work. Why did I screw that? I'm so stupid today, Don't see my password. Guys, it opened by itself. Okay, anyways, that's not important. So now if I turn this back on, yeah, I'm so stupid today. And it should have a button. Yeah, look, it has lights here. The button is F5 and F6. So I want to show it to you. You see F5 and F6, and you see those 2 lights. It's a cool feature. You can have lights in the lead, so now it really shines out. That's another feature. And I want to just conserve it. No, I can wait all day. Another cool feature is that you can go charging it, and like, let's just say, oh no, I think it's low. You can just go charge it, and you can go charge it, and trust me, it just charges. And then the Bluetooth thing, you can just type, and you don't need to worry about it never losing battery, if you can do that. But again, if some people are more comfortable than using the cabled one, be free, and I'm not telling. Another good reason is that Apple Magic Keyboard only goes for Apple stuff like MacBook and all that stuff, but this thing can go on Android and literally anything. I mean it, except for the iPhones. But this thing can go to the mobile, to the TV, to your Xbox, to your Nintendo, and almost literally everything in the stupid world. Well, not stupid, nice world. Except fridges. That would be stupid. But yeah, this thing really works out. And I'm gonna talk about this now. This one is some kind of square you can use, and it's just super glue. You can put it under here, like if you want to. You don't want it flat, you can put it over here. Like, take this thing out. I want to this thing here, and then you can just stick it over here. I don't want to do that yet. I don't want to. Not a fan of it. But if you guys are, it's an option. It's not also like, oh no, you have to do it, mister. No, the keyboard company just gives you a reminder that you can do this if you want. If you're feeling that your hands are like this. No, yeah. There's really nothing bad about this. Let me think. Oh yeah, tell someone something weird here. I'm not telling this is really bad, but if you're getting confused, the enter button is written as return, but it works the same way. Everything is also the QWERTY style, so it's not some kind of like A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P type. It's pretty easy, and there's also other things here. CMD, OPT, and all of that weird stuff I never use almost. Yeah, and also the page up and down, home, and look, page up, page down. I can go playing for this forever, but I don't have forever, so neither do you. My review on this one, well, the bad thing is that you can't use like if you have some kind of Dell monitor, you have to buy some sort of thing that responds to this one, or you can just have something. But this does not include like put another type of cable. This only includes one of them, which I am not really crying over. And for me, this rating is 4.5. It's extremely expensive. So if you're someone who's having a low budget one, I wouldn't exactly recommend it, but if you read that you want this, be my guest. I'm not going to stop you. This is going to be 4.5 for me. Amazing thing. Whoever created this is a genius. I want to create one. I want to create one. I'm just going